Actor Puneeth Rajkumar died in Bangalore hospital today after suffering a heart attack, leaving fans and colleagues shocked and grief-stricken. He was 46 years old. He had been taken to Vikram Hospital this morning in an unresponsive condition. In the afternoon, Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai tweeted, "I am deeply shocked that Kannada celebrity Shri Puneeth Rajkumar died of a heart attack. The death of Kannadigar's favorite actor, Appu, has caused enormous loss to Kannada and Karnataka, and I pray that God will have mercy on his soul and give his fans the power to endure this pain." Moving on to the next news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Italy on a 2-day visit to attend the G20 summit paid tribute to a statue of Mahatma Gandhi in Rome today. In Rome, I had the opportunity to pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi, whose ideals are a source of courage and inspiration for millions of people around the world, the Prime Minister tweeted in Italian today before posting another tweet with English translation. Prime Minister Modi landed in Rome earlier today. He tweeted, "Landed in Rome to take part in the G20 summit, an important forum to deliberate on key global issues. I also look forward to other programs through this visit to Rome." Moving on to the next news, after the Bombay High Court released the bail order in Aryan Khan case, the deadline for bail order to reach jail was 5:30 p.m. today. However, Khan's legal team did not reach the jail in time. As per jail officials, Aryan Khan will be released from Arthur Road Jail only on Saturday since the 5:30 p.m. deadline for paperwork at the jail has been missed. He will spend one more night in jail. Moving on to the next news, tennis veteran Leander Paes on Friday joined the Trinamool Congress in presence of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in Panji. Ms. Banerjee, who is in the coastal state on a 3-day visit, welcomed Mr. Paes into the party fold. Senior actor and activist Nafisa Ali, who contested the 2004 Lok Sabha elections from South Kolkata against Ms. Banerjee, also joined the party. Moving on to the next news, harping that fish and football were the two things that connect Bengal and Goa, TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee said she would not allow the centre's dadagiri to happen in the state. The West Bengal Chief Minister, however, said neither she was in the state to capture power nor to become the Chief Minister of Goa. Delhichi dadagiri anik naka, no more bullying from Delhi. I am not an outsider. I don't want to be the CM of Goa, Mamata Banerjee said in Konkani in her first address in Panji. I am an Indian. I can go anywhere. If Bengal is my motherland, Goa is also my motherland. I come to Goa, they deface my posters. They, BJP, have mental pollution. They showed me black flags. I said namaste, Mamata Banerjee said.